Baharım seni kel dedim. Bahar gülü nargiz naz bilen içilganda. Bağçamğa bulbul kelip bezmige qonganda. Aq libastin örük çeçki romal yapqanda. Zar kütken baharım bugün seni kel dedim. My name is Aziz Isa Elkun. I've been living in London since 2001. My poetry is everything for me. It saved my life, it saved my mood, and it brings me hope. I take out all my stress, all my worry, all my trauma from my poem. Its title in Uighur is Baharım seni kel dedim. That means I ask spring to come, the English translation. And you must be surprised. It's you think it's Arabic? No, it's not Arabic. And this is a kind of Arabic alphabet-based Uyghur script. Spring is very symbolic for the Uyghurs, like many Middle East or Persian or many Central Asian countries, because in that part of the world, 4 seasons extremely clear. Spring means just we can equal to Western term like freedom. The Uyghur poetry in Uyghur's life it has very special place. It means culture, it means language, it means history, it means morality, it means love. I'm talking about spring, but I'm talking about Uyghur's struggle to be alive. Uyghurs be able to live freely, with love, with passion. I ask spring to come. When the daffodils open shyly, when the nightingale lands in my garden to sing, when apricot trees wear veils of white blossom, I say to my long-awaited spring, you must come today. We, the Uyghurs, including myself, we strongly believe no power in the 20th century has rights to eliminate one's cultural, linguistic rights and their cultural heritage. So exiled Uyghurs, especially Uyghur poets, writers, intellectuals in exile, we have lots of responsibility to educate our youngsters and introduce our wonderful culture. If you write Uyghur poem, write poem in Uyghur, that means we can save this language alive. Elkun kalbi her baharda yenip köygende, zar kütken baharım, bugün seni kel dedim. When Elkun's heart burns every year in spring, I say to my long-awaited spring, you must come today.